Hi, my name is Mitch Ziegler. I'm a physical therapist and I am a professor at Spring Arbor University. And one of the most important things is spinal mobility, whether you are twisting to look behind you when you're driving a car, or whether you're swinging a baseball bat, or whether you're throwing. There's just a lot of activities that require rotation in the spine. Even walking, requires a lot of rotation. So I'm going to show you an exercise that I think is just a wonderful exercise to maintain mobility of the spine, and it's very easy to do at home. It'll save you a lot of chiropractic bills. Okay, so I'm going to show it. It's a little bit complicated, so I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'll show you things that you shouldn't do when you do it. So let's get started. So the first thing is you're going to have to find a chair, and I've purposely picked a chair that's a little bit awkward. If you have a chair that has a seat and then the back of it comes straight up, that's even better. This one has a little angle to it, but again, I purposely wanted to show you because this is kind of a difficult chair to do the exercise in. So, but there's other chairs that will work a little bit better. So first of all, you're going to sit sideways in the chair. You're going to take your body, rotate, and grab the back of the chair with both hands. And if you have a really tall chair, you just grab the sides. You can grab the top if you want to too, but you get the idea. So then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to rotate until you feel tightness in your back. Like for instance, I feel tightness right there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lift one cheek up, and then I'm going to lift the other cheek up, and I'm going to create this rocking in my pelvis. And I'm going to really exaggerate it, and this is what it looks like really exaggerated, okay? And then this is what it looks like, kind of more just normal motion. You're going to rock like this 10 times, so I'll show you what that means. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After you've done 10 rocks just like that, then you're going to take your body and you're going to twist it further until you feel that tightness. At first I rotated, I felt tightness. I rocked, I didn't feel tightness there anymore. Now I'm going to rock until I feel the tightness, or I'm going to twist until I feel the tightness again. Once I felt the tightness, I stop and I do the rock again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I've completed 2 rock cycles, which that's kind of funny, but it's just 2 cycles. We'll call it 2 cycles. So now we're into the 3rd cycle. So now I'm going to rotate further, and now I'm into the 3rd cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now for you at home, what I want you to do is to do 5 cycles of it, okay? I'm going to stop after this 3rd cycle and show you some more instruction on it though. So one of the things I don't want you to do is I don't want you to grab the chair and have your shoulders not over your pelvis. So if you're trying to do this with your shoulders not over your pelvis, it's not going to be effective. Second thing is, and this is very common, is that I have people, they decide to do I call it the leaning Tower of Pisa rock, where their whole body leans back and forth. That's not what we're after either. What we're after is we want the pelvis to rock and not your shoulders just to go back and forth. Okay, so we move into the exercise, okay? Our chest is right over our pelvis. We rock, the whole exercise is driven by our pelvis. We rock back and forth like this. You'll feel that stretching motion in your spine. If you do feel pain with this, then you don't have to stop and quit the exercise. Actually, if you slouch a little bit, and if that gets rid of your pain, then just work on the exercise in a slouched fashion. If that doesn't get rid of your pain, go up more into an upright position and try rocking. If that gets rid of your pain, continue. But if you can't seem to find any position and it's causing sharp pain, then this exercise is not working for that particular day. So just don't do it that day, but try it the next day, because every day is a little different. So just a quick review. Find a chair that has no arms. It's kind of hard to slide your legs through chairs that has an arm on it, so it's just easier, no arms, okay? Rotate, grab the back of the chair. Then you're gonna twist until you feel tension, tightness in your back. You're gonna rock back and forth 10 times. After the 10th time, you rotate a little further, you rock again 10 times, you pause, you go further, you rock again 10 times, pause, go a little further until you've completed 5 cycles. And then you want to make sure you switch, and then you go to the other side. So you're going to do the same thing, just the other way. Rotate and do your wiggles the other way, okay? It's a great way to maintain a lot of trunk mobility. For golfers, this is just incredible. Like this is a backswing motion, and if you can improve your trunk rotation this way, it'll dramatically improve your golf game. Same thing for hitting, same thing for volleyball serves, same thing for tennis serves, same thing for people looking back in their blind spot. It's just so valuable for many different things. So thank you very much for watching my video.